Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Today, last day of school, finishing up year 6. Truly has been a blessing for me and my family, and I get to make these relationships with my students that last forever, and sometimes I can't believe I get to do what I get to do. So day 27 is about what? Since it's in the fake news again, it's in that cycle. You guessed it, college debt. Most people rack up college debt for 4 years before they ever get paid, while earning a gender studies or liberal arts degree that they expect other people to pay. Even if it is something else, you'll end up with a job that has nothing to do with what you went to school for. In plumbing or any trade, you get paid while you learn. Apprenticeship means hands-on training, real skills, and a paycheck from the start. By the time others are just graduating, you're experienced. You're already climbing the ladder. No debt, no waiting, just work, growth, and income. That's how trades change the game. And we also have some breaking news. We are adding an electrical program to our LaBelle adult education that will hopefully be starting this coming fall. So there, you're out of excuses. Everything you need is right in front of you. Make that leap. Have a great day, everybody.